Alright guys, today we're doing a little carnita asada for people who live in an apartment or condo, don't have a patio or can't do the charcoal or the propane. It'll taste just as good, I promise you. Stay tuned. What's up guys, it's Barlos back with another half decent video. Carne asada inside for people who can't do it outside. So I'm bringing my electric grill inside for you guys. Alright, we're gonna start making the rice and our salsa. The rice, you wanna get golden brown like that before we do it. We're gonna add our tomato sauce mixture. I'll link my Mexican rice in-depth video at the end of this one so you can see how to do that if you didn't watch it. And yeah, so we're gonna start by doing that. So that's step one, get that going while you do everything else. We're gonna put some vegetable oil spray on so nothing sticks and throw our veggies down first. And yeah, that's how we're gonna start this bad boy off. I didn't go too in depth with the side dishes. This is more about just doing a quick carne asada inside that tastes amazing. I'm gonna add my tomatillos that are ready to go. I have a video on that too. Just subscribe and check the channel out if you wanna see these videos. And yeah, doing my little mini chopper so it tastes martajado. And not taste, has the texture of a martajado. They didn't all fit, it's very small, so I added that last guy in. No tomatillo left behind, I promise you that. Do not forget my veggies. And yeah, pouring that bad boy out. Look at the consistency, look at that color, you know it's gonna taste fire. I'm adding my longaniza, poke some holes in those bad boys so they don't explode on you. And just with a fork, both sides, do like 2 on each side. And yeah, starting off with these bad boys, like to get those nice and grilled. Look at those grill marks, doesn't that just make your mouth water? Fuego. And yeah, now we got real estate space for some carne that I, or some carne asada, a little carnita asada. Yeah, and then my yellow chilies are done, so I'm pulling them out. Get yourself a nice little olla or something to put it in to cover it up. It's a big pot. Yeah. Now we got more real estate for the carne, the star of the show, the carnita asada. And yeah, I'm gonna put a marinade video up in a little bit, a couple of weeks probably, because I got some other fun videos coming. Stay tuned for those bad boys. And yeah, now it's just a matter of grilling everything. My onions are done, cebollitas cambray, onion cambray. They're the best for carne asadas. They got those bulbs at the end. Fuego. And yeah, now we're just waiting for that carne to be done. Pretty easy, pretty straightforward. I did all this by myself in less than 45 minutes. The key is just timing everything to come out at the same time. Everything was pretty much done about 10 minutes after my rice, which was pretty good. I mean, for timing, for cooking by yourself. And now here I'm gonna show you how easy it is to clean this bad boy. No, George Foreman is not paying me. I just love this grill because it only cost me like 70 bucks. I can do everything on it and it's hot right away. I don't have to turn charcoal on or anything. I love charcoal, don't get me wrong. I'm gonna have some charcoal videos coming on my Weber, but this is just no hassle, super quick. Let's go, you know what I'm saying? And yeah, look how easy it was. Look how easy it was. This is real time. I did not speed this up. Just a little wet rag right when it's hot. The trick is doing it when it's hot so it doesn't get stuck on there. Look how easy that is. Simple. Keep it simple, stupid kiss, baby. And yeah, this is what the dish looked like at the end, and I'm more than happy. It tasted fire. This is me preparing my little taste test taco, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know what you think. Thanks, guys. All right, guys, here's the taste test. Little quick indoor carnita asada. Check that bad boy out. Woo, look at that. Salsa came out fire. Arroz came out fire, the rice, Mexican rice. The chile, the yellow chili, el chile amarillo. Oh, fire. See la cebollita. Everything came out more than half decent. Less than an hour to do all this too, by myself. Yeah, this tastes more than half decent. You guys gotta do this indoor electric grill. Carnita asada in less than an hour. It tastes more than half decent, I promise.